You got this, you got this.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another motovlog. Today I've come to this sand track. I haven't been here in well over a year. Might be almost 2 years at this point. Last time I was here, I didn't ride very well on it. I think I crashed like 5 times in one day. So my goal today is, I think I'm a better rider, so I just want to rip through this track a whole lot better than the last time I did. And there's one big jump that I've never conquered that I need to conquer today. I need to just get the confidence up, beat that mental battle, and just hit it. All right, this big tabletop up here, I've never conquered it. I've always been afraid of it, but I can do it. I got it. Just got to commit. Oh, so close. A little bit more. I got this. Come on, D-Rock. Why? I'm so close. Why can't I just clear it? Is he going for it? I think he's going for it. Ah! Oh yeah, first time ever fully cleared it. Honestly, I feel like I railed the corner afterwards too. Oh my God, that corner is so fun. You did it!
You got this, you got this.
That might be my favorite section on the whole track. Wide open straightaways like that are cool too, though. Oh, you gotta be so ready for that corner. Try not to stuff it in the deep sand. So I just feel like my front end is so unpredictable right now. I don't know why. Whoa! Whoa! I'm just absolutely eating the roost from here, man. Oh yeah. Rudy's going for it, man. My arms are exhausted. Every corner I just feel like it's nothing but sand in my mouth, man. Let's get this jump. Best I've hit that corner, buddy. That was fun. of a flow here. I feel like the sand is actually easier the faster you go. Outside. Sit up, squeeze, nice. Yeah, do it. Not too shabby. This corner gets me every time. Perfect. Like, guys, do you see how sweet this berm is? This line all the way along this. Yeah, that is wicked. Oh yeah. What the heck happened there? All right, so when Udi just went off this jump, his bike like bogged off the face. I'm not sure if you could tell in the video, he didn't clear it. And now for some reason, this thing is like bogging. He gets on it in first gear and it just doesn't want to rev out, it's just bogging. Is it in gear?
It doesn't even want to start in gear.
Yeah, for some reason.
Hardly wants to start at all now.
That doesn't sound good, bro.
It's done, dude.
All right, so unfortunately, I think we found the issue. He just got it to start. It cut off. And it's fully locked up. He is standing on the Kickstarter and it will not move. So, engine is seized somewhere. We don't know where, but it's done. Push down it real quick. Yeah.
Anyone want to buy it? I'm asking $1,000 for it.
Nothing. Wait, was that its original top end?
Yeah.
135 hours on the top end. That could possibly do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.